In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add Klarna to your Shopify site. Well, just a reminder that you need first to set up the payment method into your Shopify site. But for me, I have not set a payment method, but I will guide you through on how you can connect it or how you can set up Klarna to your Shopify. So first is head to your store and then click the three-lined icon that you can see in the top left corner of the screen. Once you click this, it will show these tabs, and I want you to focus on this settings icon. Now the settings icon will show this. So head to the payments, and here you will see that the default or by default Shopify site uses PayPal. So we want to add another payment method, which is Klarna. Just click the add payment method and then search for Klarna. And as you can see, the first result is obviously the official Klarna. So select this. And then here you have several choices of the providers that uses Klarna as their service. So select a service that you want to use. For example, is the ping pong checkout. Now you just need to install this. Click the install button and then permit all of this access in this third party or into Klarna. Now click the install button. And as you can see, it is now redirecting to our page. So just log into your Shopify account and that's it. That's how you can add Klarna or how you can connect Klarna to your Shopify site. And thank you for listening.